Guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the home button flex connector for the iPad Air. We are gonna need a little piece of plastic, kind of like at the same thickness as the flex cable. Then you're gonna plug in the flex cable and you're gonna put the piece of film in the back of the, on top of the connector, and then you're gonna push it in as much as you can. And then we're gonna put a piece of tape on top of it just to make sure it won't come off. Now let's test it. And there you have it, guys. Home button is fixed. That was it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up.